today I'm gonna unbox this Ninjago block series from Ninang Tati, and let's get it started.
One eternity later.
Hi guys, welcome back. Me and Daddy, we finished building the Lego Ninjago set. Ta-da! Lloyd with inside his robot and his plane on the back, which on the back of his robot, and look, it has a sword also. This one, it's like wings. This one, the plane. If you like stick them together, then this one, it really looked like a wings. And look, Zane. And this one, this is the Blazer Sword Master. And the red one, guys, this is Blazer's Warrior, and then Blazer's Archer, and last but not the least, this is General Vex. So bye guys! Next time I'm gonna stream the Lego Incredibles 2, level 3 and level 4. For now, bye! Yandere out!